you have to differentiate equations of y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 5 to multiply 2x minus 9. So the question is to find the y dx. So in getting the values of the y dx, in view of these questions, you know that this question falls under the product rules of differentiation. And in product rules in differentiation, there's formulas that guide it that will make it more easier to solve. It represents UV. What are the U? What are the V? So the first value here, the first equation here is U. The second equation here is V. So now, the formula now here to use is that the y, the x is equal to v, the u, the x plus u, the v, the x. So we call this formula a product rule. So this is the product rules in differentiation. And the product rules, it's telling us that you write v, you differentiate u with respect to x, you add it when you write u, you differentiate v with respect to x. So now we're going to be differentiating it one by one to make it easy. So now the u, we have the value of u to have s squared minus 3x plus 5. So you differentiate u with respect to x. So when you differentiate u with respect to x, according to the formula, we have 2x minus 3, because the 2 will multiply x, and you minus 1. You minus 1 from it to give you 1. There's a 1 here. 1 times 3 x onto 1 minus 1. So, but the 5 is constant, so it will go. So therefore we have 2x raised to power 1 is the same thing. So the minus is there. So this is 3 raised to power 0 to give you 3, because 3 raised to power 0, it will surely give you the x raised to power 0 will surely give you 1. So what's the value of v now? The value of v is 2x minus 9. So our dv dx will be, this is just raised to power 1 already. The 1 will multiply 2, and the 1 minus 1, and this will be x raised to power 0. So therefore the value here will give us 2. So we are able to get the value of the v dx. We are able to get to the value of the u dx. So now let's start applying the formula to get a better simplifications of the y dx. So therefore the y dx will now give us, so we write v. So the value of v is 2x minus 9. Now to multiply the u dx. What is the u dx? From here is 2x minus 3. We have 2x minus 3. Now plus, so u dv dx. So the value of u is this. We have s squared minus 3x plus 5. So dv dx. dv dx give us 2. We are able to got it before, times 2. So let's try to simplify to have, so in expansion of this, 2x times 2x will give us 4x squared. 2x times minus 3 will give us minus 6x. So good, you start with 9 again. Minus 9 times 2x, we have minus 18x. Minus 9 times minus 3, we have plus 27. Now plus, let's 2 multiply all. We have 2x squared. 2 to multiply minus 3, we have minus 6. 2 to multiply 5, we have plus 10. So let's try to collect the like terms. What are the like terms? We have 4x squared plus 2x squared, that is those. Now, we have minus 6x, so look for the space, minus 6x minus 18x will surely give us minus 24x. Minus 24x minus 6x plus 27 plus 10. So, whereby our dy dx, so these two will surely give you 6x squared. So now, minus 24x minus 6x will give us minus 30x. So that is minus 30x. So 27 plus 10 will give us plus 37. So now, if we're able to view clearly, you discover that. So the derivative of this equation is give us this by applying the product rule. So now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel where we give you a well explained solution to a questions, whereby we give you the proper formula. This is Olusegun Maths Clinic. Don't forget to click subscriptions for more of these calculus tips. And as with all these calculus tips, we surely give you the opportunities to do more of any of these questions, and we're able to solve every day, every time, solving more questions here. So thanks for watching this video. In our Facebook page also, try to like our page and share the video. Thanks.